This home's not for everyone, just the ones who get it.
Right now, your gravity is pulling me, and I've been losing sleep somehow. I'm dreaming.
This is luxury you can truly feel, right down to the natural stone surfaces.
We move at speed of light. Let's dive into the.
Your private retreat that works in every season.
I wanna hold you tight, travel space and time with you. We move at speed of light. Let's dive into the blue. I wanna hold you tight, travel space and time with you.
This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle upgrade. You've heard of indoor-outdoor living, but this takes it to another level. This outdoor space turns evenings into experiences.
We move at speed of light. Let's dive into the blue. I wanna hold you.
So what do you think? Are you ready to elevate your lifestyle? Message me to see it in person.
Space and time with you.